this is the start of the Calgary Diaries. We have Jaden and Brendan and Madison, and we're off to the airport, and I bought a new camera just for this trip. It's a camcorder and it looks funky. Hey bitches, we're back. Airport time. Isn't it
Can you flip it around?
I can.
Little camera you find in a forest.
Blair Witch Trials.
Do not take flare air. Oh, they're playing Pokemon.
You know how I face that? So we went away because I used green.
Well, the zoom on this is really cool.
So now I have to go on.
Everyone is just so mean to me. And
Why is it 20,000?
I am?
Very close to.
I mean, I'll do it. You guys are stuck.
Hey guys, this way? Hey guys, just wanted to let you know that we're having a pretty fun time and the quality of this camera is really good.
This is so epic.
Hey guys, we've made it. We've made it. Why is it so quiet in here? We've made it to Cal. I was just about to say, it's so weird to be the only Canadians. Oh my god. Why? The flight was great. Okay, it's going.
Okay, it's going.
Brendan, just...
Make that the start.
I will. Was it going?
I want on this. I want on my hand.
Okay. Hi guys. So we're in Cal, fit check, and everything's awesome. We're going for Din Din. And follow me.
Hey guys, Calgary Tower. Look at it's literally gleaming on the top. Behind the scenes. Wide angle.
Look how dressed up we are.
Take a picture. That's actually really cool.
Are you taking a picture or video? Okay. Video. 12.
Okay, so here we have Mr. Pope and his castle. The door.
We drank the drink.
And we got leaves.
You're just not used to Right.
Wait, where are you guys going?
Where are we going?
Where are you guys? We're on.
It's very fun out
The way
here.
we get to nationals, like you said, 17.
Okay, bye.
Way in the skyline.
Just funky.
Your touch blurred my shit. I don't know how to turn it on. Come on.
Funeral home.
Abby, what did you order?
So I got a seasonal margarita. Yes. All it is literally salt in a jar with some vodka. I tried to put a lime in it, squeeze it out, did not work. It tastes pretty disgusting, but it's okay. It's alcohol.
Emma, what did you order?
A lemonade.
It's fun.
Are you filming? Okay, wait, give it to me. So we're on brunch.
I didn't.
Hi, so no, I have to start it. That's funny.
Let me talk to the vlog.
We're at brunch and it's so chaotic. And Tyson has joined us.
And we all got mimosas.
And he finally took his sunglasses off.
And they're so good.
Oh, we
get
can
to
see
his
Jaden's
beautiful
eyes.
So now we made him uncomfortable.
Pull back.
I love really high.
Oh, that's not how it works. Hey.
Is it a picture?
Megan, what did you get to eat?
I got a classic breakfast.
Ray?
I got yogurt and granola.
Tyson?
Chocolate chip pancakes.
Jaden?
The kids' ones. I got a classic breakfast.
This is so colorful
Emma?
right here. Avocado toast.
And I got the fried chicken
My mom
Benedict.
said
Megan's classic breakfast. Ray's extra chocolate chip pancake. Classic breakfast?
Yep.
With eggs clucking. And the avocado toast. Oh shit, wrong way. Avocado toast requested hard. B-man out.
So yeah, I just got some drinks and we're gonna have to talk on Monday.
Hang out for a bit here.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are here drinking. Tyson is with us now. They probably already did that. They probably vlogged.
Yeah, Tyson's my bestie. I said we're besties.
Oh yeah, we're best. It's just in case.
There was some bad blood, which has since been resolved. And Dayton and I went on an adventure today that you didn't get to see.
I know because I've searched them up.
Just for my birthday. I literally can't find the button, guys.
Another one, no way.
What is going on?
Guys, we're
What
doing
is
another raid
going
battle.
on?
Aye, aye.
Hi, Rish. What is going on? Where is it? Brendan, where is
And
it?
use all of them as storage.
Where is it? He's not telling us.
This is amazing footage.
Right?
Oh, stop button right there.
It's a wild guys. This is a review of. Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
This is a review of the Lone Tree apple cider. I got a sleeve, and it is good.
All right, let's see you try it.
That's good, Brendan.
Brendan, you're drinking like it's a sippy cup. Sippy cup, Brendan.
It is
I like it.
delicious. Emma wanted to pay for everyone's food, but she couldn't. How are you feeling?
I am feeling awful.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey guys, so we have to stay outside the club because we're lame. It's the casino. We have to
Don't
stay
worry.
outside the casino because we're lame.
Ray has to recap.
I am not lame. Just these two are lame.
Okay, so basically,
And Dayton has a fake ID.
no wait, you can't say it on video.
Dayton has a super real ID, but it's under a different name, and
Okay.
it's a different person's.
Ready? So basically, we're sitting here. There's a man. I'm gonna describe to you what's happening around me.
Okay.
I'm watching this man crush a bag.
Visual descriptions for the audio descriptions for the visually impaired. This will be you right now.
I just watched a picture get taken out of that. What the?
Good morning, everyone. Here we are.
Kanye West released his album.
Yes, that is
I
true.
bought a Kanye West shirt yesterday.
Woo.
That just went up in value.
We got all the suitcases, and we're currently just waiting for to see if we can get in the restaurant. Let's see. We're just here. We had to get out of the hotels early, so we had to all leave. I don't know how you do vlogging. Okay, bye everyone.
Gotta get everyone to
Hey guys, so we're home. Well, I'm home. These men will not leave me. Just kidding. I invited them here because we will be sad if we leave each other. Brendan's at work. Ray's at work. Everyone's parted their ways except for us three.
Can't get enough of each other.
Look at my mess. No regrets though. Maybe a few regrets, but that's fine. Got a new necklace. Jaden got fun pants.
I did.